Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Taking care of our skin is so important, and having a consistent skincare routine can make a world of difference. Whether you're a skincare newbie or looking to level up your game, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Cleanse. Cleansing your skin is the foundation of any skincare routine. It removes dirt, impurities, and excess oil, allowing your skin to breathe and absorb other products effectively. Choose a cleanser that suits your skin type. Foaming cleansers work well for oily skin, while cream or gel cleansers are great for dry or sensitive skin. When cleansing, be gentle with your skin. Massage the cleanser in circular motions, focusing on areas prone to oiliness or congestion, like the T-zone. After rinsing, pat your face dry with a clean towel. Step 2. Tone. Toners help balance your skin's pH levels and prepare it for the next steps of your routine. They also provide additional hydration and can address specific skin concerns. Apply a small amount of toner to a cotton pad or spray it directly onto your face, then gently swipe it over your skin. Remember, toners should be alcohol-free and gentle on your skin. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid or witch hazel for added benefits. Step 3. Serum or essence. These lightweight, concentrated products are powerhouses when it comes to addressing specific skin concerns. They can provide hydration, brighten the skin, or target signs of aging. Apply a small amount to your fingertips and gently press it into your skin. Serums and essences are the secret weapons in your skincare routine. They penetrate deep into your skin and deliver active ingredients, making them an essential step. Step 4. Moisturize. Hydrated skin is happy skin, and moisturizers lock in moisture, nourish your skin, and create a protective barrier. Choose a moisturizer suitable for your skin type, whether it's a lightweight gel for oily skin or a richer cream for dry skin. Post. Don't forget your neck and décolleté area when moisturizing. These areas are often neglected but show signs of aging too. Give them some love. Step 5. Protect. Sunscreen is non-negotiable, no matter your skin type or the weather outside. It shields your skin from harmful UV rays, prevents sunburn, and reduces the risk of skin cancer. Apply a generous amount of sunscreen to your face and any exposed areas, and don't forget to reapply throughout the day. Remember, SPF is your best friend, and it should be part of your daily skincare routine. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. And there you have it, the basics of a skincare routine. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to follow these steps morning and night for the best results. Tailor your routine to your skin's needs and experiment with different products to find what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Thank you.